not safe to have you down here.
Yeah. Then I can't go to my house because the zombies are just gonna get there.
Yeah. So, before you go out, you need to work out.
Or do I need to dress some?
I will be right back.
Okay. Wait, should I change first?
You?
Yeah.
You can go change.
Into some workout clothes.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get going. Okay. Let's lift some weights.
These are so easy. You can't even lift this weight. Watch this.
Yeah, I actually can. You saw me lift it.
Okay. I think you worked out enough.
Alright, I'm gonna go change.
Change into like some army clothes. I think I have some.
Okay. Alright, Flower, I'm ready.
Before you go, you need to grab a gun.
Oh. Okay.
You can't fend off zombies with your bare fist. That would be stupid. So you get bit.
Alright, I got a gun.
Okay, come on.
Let's go.
We gotta get to the store to get food.
Let's hope there isn't zombies anywhere.
Come on.
Luckily, we're wearing camouflaged clothing.
Just watch out. They are everywhere. Some people haven't turned into any zombies yet.
But at least we're wearing camouflaged clothing.
Come on, do the alleyway. Do the alleyway so the zombies won't see us.
Okay. I hear zombies in every store.
Oh no. Like I said, most people haven't got bitten yet. On top of the store. And I see a few zombies. Let's kill those and then make our way to the store.
Okay. Here we go.
Okay, come on.
Huh?
Oh, freak. There's a whole horde in here.
Uh-oh.
Quickly. Grab everything with your shopping cart. Grab an actual shopping cart, Marigold.
Okay.
It would be too much stuff for you to carry at once.
Alright. I got an ice cream. I got to literally grab everything. Pizza.
Grabbing everything too. Even grabbing the chocolates.
Bloxade. Water. Milk.
Steal a bag for
Coca-Cola.
Come on, hurry up.
Apples.
Quickly. Grab a bag and put everything in there. We gotta go.
Alright.
I'll fend off as many zombies as you can. Grab a bag.
Okay. Alright, I got a bag and I put everything in there. Okay, we gotta go. I put the bag somewhere safe.
Through the back doorway.
Okay. Okay. Where'd you go?
I went up through the back doorway through the salon.
Okay. Well, I went through the salon, and now I don't see you. Did you go up the ladder?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll see you at the base.
Okay. I'm coming. Flower, I'm here!
Okay, opening up the gate.
Whew.
First one. Did you get all your groceries?
Yes. I got all of it.
Yes, Mom. Get in.
Alright. I've got everything.
Okay, I kind of forgot where the... I kind of forgot where the fridge is. I don't... Oh, yeah, right. Oh, yeah, right here.
Okay. Flower?
Yeah?
I just heard one of the walls break. We need to grab my gun. We need to grab our guns. Climb up. Let's go.
It's a giant zombie. Get up to the roof. Quickly, it can't break through metal.
Okay. We're here.
It's trapped inside.
Okay.
It can't climb either, so we're gonna have to shoot from up here into it.
We got it. Let's go.
I shot it in the head. It's them.
Yes, we can go down. Oops.
I might want to drag this big one into the jail cell.
What?
I'm dragging the zombie into the jail cell.
Okay. But we did it!
I'm gonna take off my military stuff.
Yeah, me too. We've been in it for so long.
I know.
Do you want to sit and chill, or do you want to change your house back to normal?
I said I'm not done changing.
Oh, sorry. I'll sit on the couch. Wait. Do you want to change your house back to normal?
Probably. I probably will.
Okay.
What about you?
My house is already normal.
I know, but what about the zombies? Is what I'm talking about.
Well, at least we keep our military stuff right here, right?
Yeah.
But anyways, I just can't believe that this happened.
I know. And it all started with my dumb dad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How did more zombies come?
I don't know.
Didn't we kill your dad?
Yeah. We must have found an infection and then used that to infect himself again.
But isn't he dead? Wasn't he dead?
No, we haven't killed his zombie form. He was still alive. Okay.
Do you want to change your house back to normal?
Yeah.
Let's do that. It's turning back to normal. So you have like the magical ability to change it whenever you feel like it.
Yeah, kinda.
Does it feel good to be back here?
Yeah.
But can you change it to any house you like the house you had when I first met you?
Yes, I can actually.
My house is no different. It's the same. It's been since I moved here.
And you know how I used to wear that mask?
Yeah.
I can do this.
Oh yeah. Your Ewu mask.
Ew.
I remember. I never knew what your face looked like.
Yeah, until I took it off.
Well, I wasn't actually meant to see it. I came to your tent and it was off.
Yeah.
Cause you just jumped down?
Yeah.
Okay.
It was an accident, but hey, at least we have a lot of fresh green smooches.
Yeah, let's just hope this never happens again.
Yeah, but we still have to kill all the zombies again, and save everyone again, and
Oh, what a pain that could be. Again.
I know. I'll be right back.
Like, you were turned into a zombie.
I'm gonna go find my dad. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Get this, Dad.
What is going on?
Everything's good. The zombie apocalypse is over.
Okay.
And I'll go to my dad.
Do you want to get some ice cream?
Oh man, I wish I never ended the zombie apocalypse.
Why?
And we could have stole the ice cream. Know what I'm saying? We could have just like stole the ice cream and
Oh, yeah. But doesn't it feel good to be safe again?
yeah, but it's gonna take a while for everyone to transform back. See, people are already starting to transform back inside and are starting to freak out. So
Oh.
I'm just gonna take a run.
Take and run! He didn't even notice!
Cause we are fast.
I left my skateboard there, but who cares?
They will never find the demon.
Where'd you put your skateboard? You just throw it?
No, I dropped it.
Oh, flowers rolling down the hill.
Well, I have a backup ice cream. Let's go.
My flower, I meant your skateboard. It's rolling down the hill.
Yeah. Yeah, it's fine.
Luckily, I got a backup skateboard from when we went to the future.
Everyone has a backup skateboard. I'm floating.
You're floating.
And magical. Magical.
Oh my goodness. Flower, why did you just jump down? Okay.